this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own junk journals. So as you can see here, I have lots of different kinds of materials, including mixed media paper, watercolor rag, I have some loose deli paper, dictionary paper, an old envelope, some used tags, and just a collection of different things that I had in my studio. And I'm just layering it here, all different pieces, not having them matched up. I'm not really being too particular, just laying them out. I'm trying to create some variety of sizes and textures within this book. Next, I'm going to use extra large bobby pins I just got at my local department store, and I'm putting them all along the sides of my book so that the papers won't slide now that I have them positioned how I want. And after I have everything in place and held together with the bobby pins, I'm going to fold the book in half, and then using a very thick needle, I'm going to poke a hole along the spine about every inch to inch and a half. And unfortunately, that didn't get on camera. I didn't realize that my camera had shut off, so I apologize for that. Now I'm using black thread and a needle, and I'm just going through all of the holes that I've already punched along my spine here. And to attach it, I'm simply just tying a knot. And then I'm going to go back and forth, weaving through all of the holes until this book is stitched together. So I actually went through each hole in the spine about 6 times. And that's how I know that it's held together really firmly. And I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me stitching this, but in fact I did. It took me about 20 minutes to do this. Back and forth through all the holes, weaving so that it's on each side. Now my book is stitched together, and I'm simply just using some loose book paper I had that had some packing tape collage on it, and I'm going to glue that onto the spine so that you don't see the stitching that I did on the book cover. So I'm attaching this using Distress Collage Medium, and I'm spraying it with the Collage Medium brush. And then I'm just placing it, it's a little bit shorter than my actual cover, but I'm just placing it roughly in the middle and folding it over on both sides. And now my hand-bound junk journal is complete, and I'm going to be posting all of the pages that I'm doing here on YouTube as a part of a series. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos.